Sid and Juliet. Yeah, I'm gonna put the frighteners on them. See what they give me. See what they're made of. What you looking at?
I say we make a run for it.
No.
Out onto the main road or something, flag a car down.
And make ourselves look guilty.
Right, come on, now's our chance. Let's go.
We're not going to get very far with our hands tied. Besides, if we run, he'll just find us.
And if we stay, he will kill us.
Well, if he wants us dead, there isn't anything we can do about it. Too late.
Oh, none of this is making any sense. Jordan got arrested and I want to know why. You know, we get this a lot. Young kids like you getting ideas, thinking they can run the show. Only problem is there's someone above them. Someone they got to get rid of.
We didn't grass on him. It's his cousin.
One little phone call opens the door. But every arrest leaves me vulnerable, and I don't like feeling vulnerable. I start to panic. And that's when I lash out. You understand what I'm saying? Look, just admit what you did. And we can talk. Even work something out, but if you keep lying, things are gonna get nasty. Did you phone the police?
No.
Why is it so quiet? Where's he gone?
He's just trying to freak us out.
He does not make empty threats.
No, I don't buy it. It's a test. Just hold your nerve a little longer, yeah?
Help me get this off, I'm legging it.
No, don't be the one that runs.
On your knees.
No, please.
On your knees!
Please, look, I'll do anything, please just stop.
I don't trust you. I like you. And the world ain't gonna miss a pair of street rat drug pushers. Say your prayers.
No, stop! 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 Stop!
What are you like, huh? Help me, no! Oh. I can't waste a bullet on you. That's what I call an initiation test. See who's got what it takes to rise up the ranks. Most people try and run when I leave them on their own, but, you know, you're the first person to break down in tears. You're a street-level dealer. Nothing more. And you find your own way home. Run. For you, you're made of strong stuff. I reckon you're ready for the big time. No one's lasted as long as that. They all crack at some point, start begging for their life. What's the deal with you?
Knew you were bluffing.
You don't think I'd pull the trigger if I had to?
If you had to, yeah. But what was all this about? Jordan getting arrested? You weren't going to kill us for that. No, you're in this for the money. 2 dead kids? That's a major hassle.
Smart. But you're wrong about one thing. You ain't a kid. You dress a bit like one and you don't know when to shut your mouth. But there's a maturity to you. Toughness, I ain't seen in a long time. What you went through today, the strength you showed, that's impressive. And the way that you got back in with your family, moving home like some good little college girl, it's a perfect cover. And I am ready to back you.
What do you mean?
Give you your own patch. I want you to be the new Jordan. The first time today you look scared.
I'm not scared. I just don't know if I'm ready. Or if this is even what I want anymore.
Or money, power, status. You don't want those. It's time to grow up, Juliet. Show the world you ain't a kid any longer.